There are 4 recommended ways you can find out the class of Ẹgbẹ you belong to. They are Ẹgbẹ initiation, behavioral pattern, personal traits, unexplained life experiences, general IFA consultation, Ẹgbẹ initiation. Just like IFA initiation that tends to have extensive information about one's life in order to have a better and fulfilling life, Ẹgbẹ initiation also gives information about your life when done. Its main purpose is to have and maintain cordial and seamless relationship with the heavenly mates, which obviously is a spiritual route to living a desired life. Ẹgbẹ initiation is one valid way to know that Ẹgbẹ you belong to. This is so because this sacred process is executed by veterans and expert in the field Ẹgbẹ priestesses. The Ẹgbẹ class is compulsory to be determined in order to ascertain the kind of Ẹgbẹ symbol appropriate for you. For example, a person whose Ẹgbẹ class is Aliko will be made an Aliko hand fan alongside other symbols that depict its class. It's just as going through an IFA initiation where it gets to a certain stage of knowing the Odu IFA of such client. This is likely to be known at the post-initiation day, usually 3rd day and final day of initiation process, where IFA consultation is made. A person who Agba Sa is revealed for during consultation is most likely to belong to Aliko. Behavioral pattern, personal traits. Behavioral pattern and personal trait are key factors in determining the class of Ẹgbẹ you belong to. It is all known that we are distinct from each other either through our behavior or some certain characteristics. These distinctions are hints to knowing the Ẹgbẹ you belong to. A child who tends to visit the dump site every time is likely to be Adatanyanya, Adeta Ẹgbẹ class. A child who experiences mood swing or multiple personalities may belong to Aliko, while the one who appears to be restless, stubborn may fall under Jaguna. This, however, can be confirmed either by an IFA priest or Ẹgbẹ priestesses. Unexplained life experiences. There are some unexplained experiences that may tell the type of Ẹgbẹ which you belong. Salami says when someone experiences an unexplained disappearance of money and valuable items inside the house and in transit, such person may belong to Aliko or must have wronged Eliku or maybe needs such person's attention. However, when a person tends to have strange dreams like playing in the midst of snakes or anything that has to do with serpent may be classified as an Aliko due to the strong link between both parties. On the other hand, a person who finds his or herself in a leadership position without striving hard for such, or given a title which he or she cannot explain why, may be likened to be an Elode due to its leadership characteristics. General IFA consultation. This is another way that may depict the type of Ẹgbẹ you belong to. There are situations where IFA will recommend Ẹgbẹ initiation for a client or advise him or her to feed his/her heavenly mates and as well state the class of Ẹgbẹ he/she belongs depending on the level of the Babalao's knowledge on the revealed Odu. This, however, in a way leads you to finding the answer to your quest. A situation where Otura Osa is revealed validates such person to belong to Ẹgbẹ Elode. Conversely, there are instances where an Odu will emphasis on 2 or more classes of Ẹgbẹ. If this happens to be the case, the Babalawo or the Ẹgbẹ priestess will have pinpoint the exact class the person belongs to. This is done by asking if a Ẹgbẹ the exact one. An example is evident in the sacred Odu of Agba Rosin where Ifa talks about both Aliko and Elode. In addition, there is high tendency this person may share behavioral pattern and personal trait from both classes of Ẹgbẹ. Be it the case, the Babalawo needs to find out the exact